San Antonio-class landing platform dock. The mission of the San Antonio-class is to transport the U.S. Marine Corps Mobility Triad. The San Antonio-class landing platform dock is the latest class of amphibious force ship for the U.S. Navy. The mission of the San Antonio-class is to transport the U.S. Marine Corps Mobility Triad, comprising advanced amphibious assault vehicles, AAFs, landing craft air cushion, LCAC, and the MV-22 Osprey tiltrotor aircraft, to trouble spots around the world. The U.S. Navy has commissioned 11 San Antonio-class LPD flight I ships to date. USS San Antonio, LPD-17, Amphibious Transport Dock. Construction of the first ship of 12, the San Antonio, LPD-17, began in June 2000. The ship's keel was laid in December 2000. It was launched in July 2003 and commissioned in January 2006. The San Antonio is homeported at the Norfolk Naval Base, Virginia. The vessel achieved initial operating capability, IOC, in May 2008 and made its first deployment in August 2008 as part of the Iwo Jima Expeditionary Strike Group. USS New Orleans, LPD-18, and USS Mesa Verde, LPD-19. The keel of the second ship, New Orleans, LPD-18, was laid in October 2002. It was launched in November 2004, delivered in December 2006 and commissioned in March 2007. The keel of the third, Mesa Verde, LPD-19, was laid in February 2003. Launched in January 2005 and commissioned in December 2007. USS Green Bay, LPD-20. The keel for the fourth, USS Green Bay, LPD-20, was laid in August 2003, launched in August 2006 and delivered in August 2008. It was commissioned in January 2009. New Orleans and Green Bay are homeported at San Diego. USS New York, LPD-21. The keel for USS New York, LPD-21, was laid in September 2004. It was launched in December 2007 and commissioned in November 2009. Construction of USS New York included 24 tons of steel salvaged from the wreckage of the World Trade Center, as a memorial to those who lost their lives in New York on the 11th of September 2001. USS San Diego, LPD-22. The keel of USS San Diego, LPD-22, was laid in May 2007 and launched in May 2010. The ship was delivered to the U.S. Navy in December 2011 and commissioned in May 2012. USS Anchorage, LPD-23, USS Arlington, LPD-24, and USS Somerset, LPD-25. Other contracted vessels are the Anchorage, LPD-23, Arlington, LPD-24, Somerset, LPD-25, and Merthyr, LPD-26. USS Anchorage was laid in September 2007, launched in February 2011 and delivered to the U.S. Navy in September 2012. It was commissioned into the Navy in May 2013. USS Arlington's keel was laid in May 2008 and launched in November 2010. It successfully completed builder's trials in August 2012 and was delivered to the U.S. Navy in December 2012. The LPD was commissioned in April 2013. The keel of the USS Somerset was laid in December 2009. It was launched in April 2012 and christened in July 2012. The LPD was delivered to the U.S. Navy in October 2013 and commissioned in March 2014. It is homeported at Naval Base San Diego. John P. Merthyr, LPD-26, was launched in October 2014. It was christened in March 2015. Delivered to the U.S. Navy in May 2016 and commissioned in October 2016. LPD-27. In July 2012, Huntington Ingalls Industries was awarded a $1.5 billion contract by the U.S. Navy for construction of the 11th ship in the class, the Portland, LPD-27. The first steel was cut in August 2012 and her keel was laid in August 2013. The vessel was launched in February 2016, delivered in September 2017 and commissioned in April 2018. Fort Lauderdale, LPD-28, and Richard M. McCool Jr. LPD-29. In December 2016, Huntington Ingalls Industries received a $1.46 billion contract for the design and construction of USS Fort Lauderdale, LPD-28. The keel for the vessel was laid in October 2017. The shipyard was awarded a $1.43 billion detailed design and construction contract for Richard M. McCool Jr., LPD-29. In February 2018, LPD-17 Flight II ships. In August 2018, Huntington Ingalls Industries received a $165.5 million contract to acquire long lead time material and perform advanced construction activities of LPD-30 ship. It will be the first Flight II LPD of the class. LPD-17 Flight II is the latest version of the San Antonio class. It is being built to meet the operational requirements of the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. The vessels will incorporate minor modifications to feature a ship-to-shore connector, CH-53K helicopter and improved troop armament stowage. The LPD-28 and 29 ships will incorporate few design changes as part of the transition from Flight I to Flight II class. The U.S. Navy plans to procure 13 LPD-17 Flight II ships, which will replace the aging LSD-4149 class vessels. San Antonio class contractors. In December 1996, the U.S. Navy awarded a contract to an industrial alliance led by Northrop Grumman Ship Systems, formerly Litton Avondale, with General Dynamics Bath Iron Works, Raytheon Electronic Systems and Intergraph Corporation, to design and construct the first of an anticipated 12 ships under the Navy's LPD-17 program. It was planned that Avondale would build 8 and Bath Iron Works 4 ships. However, in June 2002, the U.S. Navy signed an MOU with Northrop Grumman and Bath Iron Works, making Northrop Grumman responsible for the construction of all San Antonio-class vessels. Bath is the builder of 4 Arleigh Burke destroyers, previously assigned to Northrop Grumman. In December 2015, Ingalls Shipbuilding received a $34.8 million contract for engineering and support services for LPD-17 and a $200 million contract to provide long lead time material and main equipment for LPD-28. AMSC secured a contract to deliver a ship protection system for LPD-28 in January 2019. San Antonio class design. The ship is constructed from steel and designed to minimize radar cross-section. Enhanced survivability features include improved fragmentation and nuclear blast protection as well as a shock-hardened structure. Automation and integration of systems have enabled a significant reduction in the crew, projected to be 361. The 684 feet long, 105 feet wide ship provides 3 vehicle decks of 25,402 ft squared and 2 cargo holds, with 25,548 ft cubed for bulk cargo and ammunition magazines in addition to the 1,234 cubic meters for cargo fuel. Accommodation is provided for 2 LCAC, 700 troops and 14 UFs. Each LCAC is capable of carrying 60 tons of cargo and vehicles, including the M1A2 Abrams tank, at speeds of up to 40 km. The ship's advanced enclosed mast, sensor (MS) system consists of 2 large 8-sided structures, which house the radar and communications antennae with a hybrid frequency selective surface, as well as reducing the ship's radar cross-section. The MS system also protects the equipment from exposure to the elements. Aircraft carrying capabilities and weapon systems of the San Antonio class. At the stern of the ship, the landing deck is able to accommodate 2 Sikorsky CH-53E Sea Stallion helicopters, 6 Bell R-1 Watt Super Cobra helicopters, 4 Boeing CH-46C Night helicopters or 2 Boeing Bell MV-22 Osprey tiltrotor aircraft. The hangar deck provides aviation maintenance facilities and is sufficiently large to accommodate 1 Sea Stallion, 2 Sea Knights, 3 Super Cobra helicopters or 1 MV-22 Osprey tiltrotor aircraft. Hangar doors are constructed by Indel Technologies. Each blast-resistant door weighs 18,000 kilograms and has 3 horizontal folding panels. USS San Antonio began flight operations testing with the V-22 Osprey tiltrotor and CH-46C Night helicopter in June 2006. 2 Mk-31 Mod 0 launchers are capable of launching the Fire and Forget Raytheon Rolling Airframe Missile, RAM. The RAM, RIM-116, surface-to-air missile has dual-mode radio frequency, infrared guidance and is designed to engage anti-ship missiles. It has a range of 8 kilometers. Space and weight provision has been made for the future fitting of a vertical launcher for the evolved Sea Sparrow missile, ESSM. If required. The ship is equipped with 2 Mk-46 Mod 2 30mm guns for close-in surface self-defense. The Mk-46 is a dual-axis stabilized chain gun with a firing rate of up to 250 rounds a minute. The fire director includes a thermal imager, low-light TV camera and laser range finder, with a closed-loop tracking system. The gun can be operated locally at the gun turret or remotely in the Combat Information Center. Additional armament includes 2 Mk-26 Mod 1850 caliber machine guns, SSDS, Ship Self-Defense System. San Antonio is one of the classes of vessels to receive the SSDS, Ship Self-Defense System, Mk2 developed by Raytheon for the U.S. Navy. SSDS is an integration of all the ship's self-defense systems and includes multifunction radar, advanced integrated electronic warfare system and an infrared search and track, IRST, system. LPD-22, the sixth of the class, is the first ship to receive the complete system, which will be retrofitted to the rest of the class. SSDS is also to be fitted to the U.S. Navy new carriers, CVN-76, and destroyers, DDX. The ship is equipped with a fiber optic shipboard wide area network, SWAN, from Raytheon, which connects ship's systems, sensors and combat systems to the ship's command consoles. In February 2004, Harris Corporation was awarded a contract to provide high-frequency, HF, radio broadband communications systems for the San Antonio class. Countermeasure technology of San Antonio class vessels. The ship is equipped with the AN SLQ-25 Anixi towed decoy system from Argonne ST of Fairfax, Virginia, and the Mk-53 Nulka decoy launching system developed by the Australian Defence Science and Technology Organisation in Canberra and Lockheed Martin Sipicon in Massachusetts. Nulka is a hovering rocket system, which deflects incoming missiles away from the ship. The Raytheon SLQ-32A, V2 Electronic Support Measures, ESM, system is a detection and jamming system providing surveillance, warning and electronic countermeasures against missile attack. LPD-22 and later vessels are fitted with the Advanced Integrated Electronic Warfare System, AWS, sensors and propulsion. The ship's radars include NITT and SPS-48E 3D air search radar operating at sea, D-band, Lockheed Martin's and APQ-9B surface surveillance and tracking radar operating at I-band, Raytheon's and SPS-64V9 navigation radar operating at I-band and 2 Northrop Grumman Norden systems and SPS-73 surface search radars operating at I-band. The ship is powered by 4 cold pull stick 2.5 STC diesel engines developing 10,400 horsepower each. The main reduction gears from Philadelphia Gear Corp turn 2 shafts with Bird Johnson controllable pitch propellers. A new high-power, low-drag propeller hub design provides improved propeller efficiency. The ship's electrical power is provided by 5 2,500 kilowatts Caterpillar Ship Service diesel generators, SSDG, with self-cleaning strainers and filters and electric pumps. 7 200 tons York air conditioning units are fitted for cooling systems and habitation. The ship auxiliary systems are all electric, including heating, water heaters, and a 72,000 GPD reverse osmosis water generating plant. Hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing by clicking the bell button below.